Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you might be experiencing some issues with your hard drive. Hard drive errors can be a major headache, but don't worry, we're here to help. In today's video, we're going to walk you through 5 methods for diagnosing and repairing hard drive errors. Let's dive in. Before we get into the fixes, let's quickly talk about what hard drive errors are and why they happen. Hard drive errors can be caused by physical damage, bad sectors, corrupted files, and software issues. Knowing the cause can help us apply the right solution. So, let's get started with our first method. Method 1. Using the Windows Error Checking tool. Our first method is using the built-in Windows Error Checking tool. This tool scans your hard drive for errors and attempts to fix them. First, open this PC and right-click on the drive you want to check. Select Properties, then go to the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check. A dialog box will appear asking if you want to scan the drive. Click Scan Drive. The tool will start scanning your drive for errors. This might take a while, depending on the size of your drive. Once the scan is complete, Windows will either report that no errors were found or list the errors it fixed. This simple step can often resolve many common hard drive issues. Method 2. Using CHKDSK command. Our second method is a bit more advanced but very effective, using the CHKDSK command in Command Prompt. CHKDSK stands for Check Disk, and it can help identify and fix disk errors. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do this by typing CMD in the Start menu search bar, right-clicking on Command Prompt, and selecting Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type CHKDSK F-R. Replace C with the letter of the drive you want to check. The F parameter tells CHKDSK to fix any errors it finds, while the R parameter locates bad sectors and recovers readable information. The scan might take some time, especially if you have a large drive. Once it's done, CHKDSK will report any errors it found and fixed. Method 3. Checking a drive for errors. In Windows 10, the Security and Maintenance panel is a powerful tool that allows you to manage your security settings and monitor the overall health of your hardware. This includes checking your hard drives for any potential errors that could affect your system's performance. First, you need to access the Security and Maintenance panel. Click on the search box located on your taskbar in the search box. Type Security and Maintenance, and then press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will open the Security and Maintenance panel, where you can manage a variety of system settings and check your hardware's health. Once you have the Security and Maintenance panel open, you will see several sections dedicated to different aspects of your system's security and performance. Look for the section labeled Maintenance. Expand the Maintenance section by clicking on the arrow next to it. This will reveal additional options and details about the maintenance tasks that Windows performs to keep your system running smoothly. Within the expanded Maintenance section, look for the Drive Status option. The Drive Status area will display information about all the drives connected to your computer, including whether they are functioning properly or if there are any issues that need to be addressed. If all your drives are working correctly, you will see a message indicating that there are no issues. However, if any of your drives have problems, the Drive Status section will provide an option to scan and fix them. This can help prevent data loss and ensure that your drives continue to operate efficiently. By regularly checking the drive status in the Security and Maintenance panel, you can stay informed about the health of your hard drives. Method 4. Using a third-party disk utility. Sometimes, the built-in tools aren't enough. That's where third-party disk utilities come in. Tools like Crystal Disk Info, HD Tune, or Ease US Partition Master can offer more advanced diagnostics and repair options. Let's use Crystal Disk Info as an example. Download and install Crystal Disk Info from its official website. Once installed, open the program. You'll see a detailed overview of your hard drive's health status, including temperature, smart attributes, and more. Check the health status of your drive. If you see any warnings or errors, it might be time to back up your data and consider replacing the drive. These tools provide a deeper insight into your drive's condition and can help you diagnose problems more effectively. Method 5. Checking and updating your drivers. Our final method is checking and updating your hard drive drivers. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause hard drive errors and other issues. Open Device Manager by typing Device Manager in the Start menu search bar. Expand the Disk Drives section and right-click on your hard drive. Select Update Driver and choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search for the latest driver and install it if available. Keeping your drivers up to date ensures that your hardware and software communicate effectively, reducing the risk of errors. And there you have it, 5 comprehensive methods to diagnose and repair hard drive errors. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or other methods that work for you, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing.